Hi everybody, I am Maddie and today I am with Mariel, Megan, and Caroline, and we have something really excited planning today. We are going to do a cake decorating class with the one and only Mariel. I have been following her on Instagram for a while and I think she is extremely talented, and so we're in good hands today for cake decorating class. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
It's going to be exciting. You guys are going to be blown away by all the fun things you get to do.
We're excited. So can you tell us what we will be doing?
Yeah, of course. So first we're going to talk about cake and the actual layers and baking and how we will assemble it. We'll start getting into the stacking of the cakes and how we fill the cakes and how we do it so that it doesn't fall all over the place and that it's a nice, column, if you will. And then we will cover the cake, crumb coat it, cover it, and there will be a few different times that we have to take it to the freezer and let it chill and harden, and then when it comes back out, we can finally decorate. We're also going to do some fun isomalt work, which is really exciting. Isomalt is a type of sugar that it's really fun. It's really stable, so you can pull it and twist it and shape it, and it's really cool. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna play with some sprinkles and just kind of have fun with it. So you guys will be able to do your own design. I have an idea of what we should do, but you guys are gonna have some free reign and it'll be cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
All right, everyone, we just finished our class and it was really fun.
I'm so glad.
She made us look a lot better than we actually are, but it was extremely fun. Mariel.
Look how pretty they are.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it really turned out well.
Yeah, and we're really happy about how they turned out. Mariel offers a lot of cake decorating classes. It'd be good for bachelorette parties, bridal showers, you name it. She does it all. She's the best. Mariel, we're going to ask you a few questions that some people submitted.
How much should a bride plan on spending on a wedding cake and why?
Okay, so the wedding cake industry, there's a few different things that we'd have to keep in mind. One, Utah has lower pricing than most other states. But in general, you're going to be somewhere in the $3 a slice to $4 to $5 a slice, depending on how custom and bespoke your wedding cake is. So if you're looking at, it doesn't really matter how many tiers it is, we're really pricing by slice. So if you are looking at 150 people and you want 150 slices, in your mind, go through and say, do the math and say, okay, well, it's $3 a slice times 150 people, and then you can kind of gauge where the pricing of your cake is going to be. Obviously, if you add elements like gold leafing or flowers on top of it, you're going to add additional costs.
How often do you do cake decorating classes, and how can I sign up for one?
Oh, great. I do a cake decorating class like this about once a month. I'm about to start doing it at a local place in Draper called the Home Lab, and we're going to be doing it at least once a month for now, and they're $100 a class to do this, where you take your own cake home. And I do macaroon classes out of my house as well, and those are $50 a person, and they are great because you learn how to make macaroons from start to finish. So those are the two options that I do right now, but I'm always available for more custom situations, like if you want to do parties or bachelorette parties, things of that nature. So
Awesome. I do have one more question. It wasn't the last one.
yeah.
If you could give any advice to a bride on her wedding day, what would it be?
Eat.
That's a good one.
Eat your
really
food.
good one.
Yeah.
Make sure someone is in, like, you tag a bridesmaid and say, will you just keep my well-being in your mind the whole day? Just come up to me occasionally and say, like, do you need water? How are you feeling? Do you need something to eat? Like, here's a banana, here's an apple.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
stay hydrated, please. That's my advice.
That is solid advice.
Yes. Yeah.
Solid advice. Well,
Tag a good friend, right?
thank you again so much for having us today, and it honestly was even way better than I expected. So
I'm so
it
glad.
was really fun.
I'm so glad. I really
Really
enjoyed
fun.
you guys being here. It was
Thank
great.
you.
And you guys are artists. These are beautiful.
Oh, just making us look good. So you can go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Bride Access, and you can also follow her at Dessert. That is Dessert. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and comment below who you think did the best. Until next time, you guys. See ya.